In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the new My Places feature on the Snapchat map, and it's a pretty cool new feature, so let's get started. Okay, so first things first, just update your Snapchat if you haven't already, open up your Snapchat app and be logged in of course. Then just press on the maps option at the bottom left of your screen and you should be taken here. Then just tap on places in the bottom middle of your screen. Now you can see that we can locate a wide range of businesses on the map, and just underneath it there is this places box. And you can see there are 3 different categories: popular, which are locations that are popular with friends or are just popular in general. And as you can see, the little yellow arrow icon over the locations on the map means that friends have visited them. There's now favorites that will show you places that you have favorited. I'll show you how to do that in a minute. And there's visited, which will show you places that you have tagged in your snaps. Now, if you want to search a new area to see the places there, just move your map to that location like so, and then just hit search this area just above the My Places box, and as you can see, a lot of new places will pop up. Now you can expand or narrow your search by zooming in and out and then hitting the search this area, just like this. And if we wanted to just go back to our location, just hit the arrow icon just above the search this area button. Now, if we press on a location, it will zoom in on the location, and then if we tap on it again, this business profile page will come up, and on here you can see their opening times, address, phone number and website. Now, if you wanted to favorite this business, all you have to do is just tap on the heart button like this, and it will save to that favorites category that I showed you earlier. You can also get directions to the place by pressing the button next to favorites like this, and then you can choose to copy the address or open it in Apple or Google Maps, so you can follow the directions from there. But if we go back, you can also send the place to someone by pressing the blue send icon as well. Now, if you just scroll down, you can see there is also a chart that shows you the popular times, and you can change a day on here as well to see when it's going to be busy. And that's about all I know that you can do right now with this feature, and this is really good for local business discovery, and I'm sure it will encourage more people to tag locations to their snaps. As they add more features, I'm sure it will just get better and better, but that's how you use the new My Places feature on Snapchat. If this video helped you out, please like the video and consider subscribing for more tips, tricks and tutorials just like this one. And if you have any further questions, leave them down below in the comments and I'm sure I can help you out. Anyway, see you next time. Bye bye.